In what could be termed as a stark defiance of the Union Home Minister's call for free movement in Manipur, Committee on Tribal Unity Cotu has warned that it will take strong action against traveling of any Meitei individual in Kuki inhabited areas. According to a statement released by Cotu in the wake of reportedly injuring a Meitei individual in an accident which occurred near Kaithalmanbi in Kampope district, the committee alleged that Meitei community has openly committed border crossing at the period of communal strife. It further reminded all Manipur Roads Drivers and Motors Workers Union not to engage in such alleged transgressions while asking to bear full responsibility if otherwise. Continuing that the highway duty for checking of vehicles needs to be taken up in order to maintain security in the Kukis dominated areas along National Highway 2, Cotu asked all Kukis community to remain vigilant.